Hi guys, this is 259 again, and in this video I'm gonna continue my series of internet browsers, and today I'm gonna cover SeaMonkey. Now, SeaMonkey was suggested by one of my friends and subscribers, I think. It's MBB65. He has some funny videos that are awesome to watch, and I suggest you check him out. Awesome guy. He helped me with some problems. So, first up, SeaMonkey cannot be considered as just an internet browser. If you consider SeaMonkey just like a simple, ordinary internet browser, you're going to be disappointed because SeaMonkey is basically a slimmed down version of Firefox. So that's probably not saying much. It doesn't have as much add-ons as Firefox does. It doesn't have as much, security things as Firefox does. Or maybe it does. I don't know. Probably, but it's just basically a slimmed-down version of Firefox. Now, then, why are you reviewing this if that's not very cool, I'm reviewing this because it's a all-in-one internet application site. Now that's how they represent themselves. In easy words, it's just like the Mozilla program slimmed down and put all to one. That's Firefox, Thunderbird, Chatzilla, their HTML editor, and an address book. So if you don't want your email client and internet browser to spread around your own computer and you have to click separate icons every time you want to access something, you might want to consider SeaMonkey. Let's begin with the browser. The browser, as I told before, is like a slimmed down version of Firefox. It's a bit unusual because there is this monkey menu highlighted, so you can... Well, it's pretty convenient actually because you can quickly toggle preferences, the email preferences, and blah blah blah. So also there's this print this page button. So if I'm correctly guessing, this probably was meant for office use more than home use. I don't know why. And this go to SeaMonkey's homepage. Now, when I want to get add-ons, I click on this button. Nothing else. As you see, this is the simple, nothing new, and nothing that eccentric as like Flock was, but as I told, you cannot consider SeaMonkey just an internet browser. Now, if you want to search, you click on this search button, and then type your search, so for saying YouTube. Now, what I didn't understand is why did it load in both the sidebar and both the actual search engine? The reason of that is that you can search simply like that. You can save up one of the searches. So if you want to search it again, just click next or previous. It's pretty thought out. And even if you click on the page, the search is still there. So if you want to click out, just go. But when you click search, it goes to the home page, so it doesn't save up. Okay, time to the email client. Now, email client, as I told before, is a stripped down version of the Mozilla Thunderbird that I have running here right now. It's a modified theme. As you see, Mozilla Thunderbird is almost the same as the mail program in SeaMonkey because, well, it is basically the same because they're created by the same developer, and it is basically a slimmed down version of this. The main difference between the mail client of SeaMonkey and Firefox, not Firefox, Thunderbird, sorry, is the address book. SeaMonkey has the address book outside of the email client. Thunderbird has it inside. and the address book is basically the same as you would see in here. It's not basically, it's the same. Simply the same. Check out. It's new card, new list, new card, new list. It's the same. So here goes mail and address book. Composer. Now Composer is what my friends call the best part of SeaMonkey. Now Composer is an HTML editor. Simply put, you can create web pages with it. They say if you want to learn HTML, you might want to consider SeaMonkey just for the Composer. Now why? Because it says a really simple interface. I don't really not that good at HTML because I haven't learned it yet. So you just can drag and drop an image, and then below there are 4 tabs. First is the normal tab, then HTML tag, you just get the tags. HTML source, it shows the source of the image and the content, and preview is how the web page will look like. Now, the only difference between normal and preview is that you cannot edit in preview. So, or maybe you can. Yeah, you can. You can edit, but not much. I don't save. So, and the last, but hopefully not least, is the IRC chat client. Now, they use Chatzilla. Simply is that you can just, connect to a net and simply use it. So this is, I must say, this internet browser compared to others, you cannot directly compare it to others because it's not just an internet browser. If you want to have an all-in-one internet application site, I definitely recommend it. If you want to have like a good, an easy to use HTML editor, I also recommend it. The only position I do not recommend it is if you're looking for a good internet browser, because if you're using Firefox, there is nothing that could lure you away as an internet browser to SeaMonkey. Nothing. It's a slimmed down version of Firefox. That's everything you need to know about it. It's like Firefox, but it's a bit slimmed down, and there's not as much add-ons. And plus, not all the add-ons you can install to it. So, this was my second video about internet browsers. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, you might want to comment and subscribe. Do not forget to check my YouTube partners. They have awesome videos, and I definitely suggest you check them out. So basically this is it. So thank you for watching, and see ya.